Hello everyone, I am Diego Lopez, psychology student at UNAD. Today we are going to develop the English course B1. Option B, video directions. You can make the video according to the 5 questions previously chosen in step 2. B. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? The most visited tourist place in my city have been the Parque del Ingenio, Gato de Tejada, Loma de la Cruz, San Antonio Gil, Pueblito Banks, the history center along the Boulevard del Rio Cali. What was the most amazing activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most incredible activity that I did on my trip to the Sun residence is to visit the aquarium, its coral reefs and snorkel white, the most beautiful and colorful first I had ever seen. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? In Santiago de Cali, my hometown, Mulatto Cabaret is the most expensive nightclub I ever visited in my life. What are the best things that have happened to you on a trip? Mention two. The best thing, the best things what have happened to me on a trip are taking a boat ride in the middle of the Caribbean Sea and visiting the sea of the first time White Mariana, the woman I love. Oh, which is better, visiting popular tourist destinations or lesser known tourist destinations? I think it's better to visit all possible tourist destinations from the most popular to the least known, since they all have enriched learning and multicultural experiences. The key is not learn. The key is to learn to enjoy a trip. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.